It's always good to have some kind of visibility on my ski for two reasons. The remote for that headlight is right here. Let's mount both of these lights up and test them tonight on the lake. Huge beaver lodge. Hey everyone, welcome to Chase Your Wave Adventures. My name is Dean and today I want to talk about navigation lights. Let's get into it. So on a lot of my adventures on my SeaDoo Explorer Pro, I could be out very early in the morning and in some cases coming back kind of really late in the evening where the sun is kind of just coming up in the morning or going down in the evening. So it's always good to have some kind of visibility on my ski for two reasons. Number one, I want to have light for visibility so I can see where I'm going. And number two, I want to make sure that people on the water can also see me. So I have two different kinds of light. My bumper rail right here, I have a mount, and this is going to be for the light, allows me to see where I'm going, shining directly in front of the ski at a wide span. Also, I have another placement right here, a mount point where I mount another light, and that's going to be my navigation lights. So the two lights I've been experimenting with are here. A bicycle light that I've adapted to fit the front rail right here. And this light here is a navigation light I just got off Amazon. And I'm gonna give them a test and a full review later once I get more hours on them. So let's mount both of these lights up and test them tonight on the lake. This one here is a GoPro mount light. So you basically just mount it like you would a GoPro, but obviously make sure you orient it so you have the left and right or the appropriate red and green on these sides here pointing outwards. This one here is slightly different. So it's not a GoPro mount, but it's a really solid mount here. So this is a custom mount that came with it and it's really solid. What I just did was reinforce it down here with some additional rubber around the grab rail. Push back, and locks in place. So when it comes to lighting these, this one here is a simple push button. So there is your red and your green, which is the appropriate sides as well for port and starboard. And you also have this light up front here. So what I've done here is that this one does have a remote to it. So I'll show you the remote and how that works, because I can put it on or off or even change the intensity of the light from my console up here with a remote. It's really super bright. I cannot wait to get this out. So the remote for that headlight is right here. I just strapped it around the handlebars right here, so I have complete access to it. So it's pretty straightforward. Press button on here, light comes on, which is awesome. And also change the beam as well. So change the light intensity, all from the SeaDoo Explorer Pro console. So definitely at dusk now, the lights are on, both navigation and the headlight. Take a look. Let's give it a further test as we get closer back to the dock, because the light, we're losing it fast. You'll never guess what I just spotted here on the lake, and I'm gonna use the light to shine it up, but take a look at this huge beaver lodge. If you love the SeaDoo life and outdoor water adventures, my name is Dean and this is Chase Your Wave Adventures. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next wave.